Hello students, welcome back to IGCSE and Fingertips. Today we are going to solve 058022MJ22. Let's get started. Question number 1. At noon, the temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. At midnight, the temperature is minus 9 degrees Celsius. What is the difference between noon and midnight? Okay, so the difference is 4 minus of minus 9, which is 13 degrees Celsius. Right. Next. Thibault records the number of cars of each color in a car park. So black car is 8, white car is 5, silver cars are 4 and red cars are 3. Okay. He draws a pie chart to throw this information. Calculate the sector angles for red car. I am supposed to find the sector angle for red car. So how many red card I have? 3. I have 3 red card. And what is the total number of cars do I have? 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 4, 17 and 17 plus 3, 20. Okay, 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3. Yes, I have total 20 cars. And the angle is obviously 360. So 3 by 20 into 360. So I'll draw red cars with an angle of 54 degree. Next question. Fixed cost 43 cents each. Okay. Lyra has $5 to buy some fix. Okay. Calculate the largest number of fix which Lyra can buy. Okay. So assuming that she has $5, which is nothing but 500 cents, and each fig is costing 43 cents. So 500 divided by 43 is 11.62, right? This is 11.62. So obviously the maximum fix which Lyra can buy is 11. And what is the change? I think the change will be 500 minus 11 into 43, right? Because she is buying 11 fix for 43 cents each, which is 473 cents, and she is giving $5. So the change which she'll receive is of 27 cents. Next question. What is the value of root? What is the value of root 68 into root 153? So let me do the root 68 into 153, and this is 102. Next, find total surface area of a cuboid with length 8 cm, width 6 cm and height 3 cm. Okay, so we know total surface area is given by the formula twice LB plus BH plus HL. So twice 8 into 6 plus 6 into 3 plus 3 into 8. So twice, I think 8 6 are 48, 6 3 are 18, 8 18, 8 3 are is 24. So 48 plus 18 plus 24 into 2, 180 centimeter square. Okay. Some cards have either a square, a circle or triangle drawn on them. Okay. Pete chooses one of the cards at random. Okay. Complete the table to show the probability of choosing a card with each shape. So I have 3 cards, square, circle or triangle. So the total probability is obviously going to be 1. So if the probability of square is 0.2, circle is 0.32. So 1 minus 0.32 minus 0.2 will give me the probability of selecting triangle, which is 0.48, right? 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.32. Next, the price of a coat is $126. Okay. In the sale, the price is reduced by 18%. Find the sale price of the coat. Okay. So in the price is reduced by 18%. So it means that I'm only supposed to pay, right? So I'm only supposed to pay 82% of the price. Why? Because the cost is reduced by 18%. So 100 minus 18 is 82%. So I'm supposed to pay only 82%. So which is 126 into 82 upon 100. So 126 into 82 upon 100. So I'm supposed to pay $103.32, right? $103.32. Let us move to the next question. The nth term of a sequence is given by n square plus 12. Find the first three terms of the sequence. Okay, so I substitute n as 1. So 1 square is 1. 1 plus 12, 13. If I substitute n as 2, 2 square is 4. 4 plus 12, 16. 3. 3 square is 9 and 9 plus 12 is 21. Right, this is my answer. Next question. Okay, I have question of bearings. Okay, so the bearing of B from A is 059. So this is, sorry guys, so this is the bearing of B from A is 059. So this is 059 or 59 degrees. Work out the bearing of A from B. So let's say from B I draw north, because bearing is always calculated from north direction in clockwise direction. So I'm supposed to find this angle. Okay, so guys, if I have this is 59, can I find this angle? Yes, this is going to be 180 minus 59. And if I'm supposed to find this angle, let's say this is x, right? So my x is nothing but 360 minus 180 minus 59, right? So 180 minus 59 will give me this angle, which is 121, and 360 minus 121, which is 239. This is my bearing of A from B. 239. Next question. Question number 10 says P is equals to 28 and the column vector P is 28, column vector Q is minus 1 and 4. I'm supposed to find P minus Q. P minus Q, which means 2 minus of minus 1, which is, oh sorry guys, 2 minus of minus 1 is 3, 8 minus 4 is 4. I am supposed to find 6 times of P. 6 times of P is 6 into 2, 12, 6 into 8, 48. Next, I am supposed to find mod of P minus Q. P minus Q modulus. Mod of P minus Q is nothing but under root P square plus Q square, which is 3 square plus 4 square. This is known as magnitude or modulus. Modulus, the formula of modulus is x square plus y square. I have just found out the column vector PQ and I have to take under root of x square plus y square. So 3 square plus 4 square, which is 5. Next, find the value of P when 6 power P into 6 power 4 equals to 28. Okay, so if base are same, obviously power will get added. So I have P plus 4 is equals to 6 power 28. So P plus 4 equals to 28. So from here I can see P is nothing but 24, right? Let us move to the next question. Annette cycles a distance of 70 km from Midville to Newtown. Okay. Leaving Midville, she cycles for 1 hour 30 minutes at a constant speed of 20 km per hour and then stops for 30 minutes. She then continues her journey at a constant speed of 16 km per hour. Okay, I think we are supposed to draw speed distance time graph for this journey. Okay, so guys, we know that she is traveling at a speed of 20 km per hour for 1.5 hours. So the distance traveled, we know speed is distance upon time. So the distance traveled will be speed into time. Time is 1.5. 20 into 1.5 is 30 km. It means for the first 1.5 hour, I think somewhere around here, she'll have traveled 30 kilometers. Right? So 1.5 comma 30, I have to draw a straight line somewhere like this. Then she takes a break she stops for 30 minutes. So she takes a break of half an hour, which is till 2, she'll have break. And then she continues the journey at a constant speed of 16 km per hour. Now I already know what distance she has to travel further. She has to travel a further of 40 kilometers, right? Because the total distance is 70 and she has already traveled 30 kilometers. So she has to travel further of 40 kilometers. And in how much time will she cover it? Okay, I have speed is distance upon time. So I can find time is distance upon speed. The distance is of 40 kilometer and the speed is 16. So 40 by 16 is 2.5. So starting from 2, in the next 2.5 hours, which is at 4.5 hours, she'll have completed her distance of 70 kilometers. So I'll have to draw a line which is something like this, right? See, I have drawn this figure. This is the fair one. See, I have covered everything here, right? You can see from 0 to 1.5, this is 30 kilometers. Then she takes a break of half an hour, and then she again starts her journey and completes at 70 kilometers when the time is 4.5 hours, right? Next, calculate the average speed for this whole journey. Okay, what is average speed? Average speed is total distance upon total time. The total distance was 70 kilometers and the total time was 4.5 hours. So 70 divided by 4.5, which is 15.55555, which is 15.6 kilometers per hour is my average speed. Next question. Without using calculator, solve this. Okay, I have 4 integer 1 by 8. This can be written as 33 by 8 minus 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 5, 17 by 6. So LCM of 8 and 6 is 24, right? So I have to multiply this with 3. So 33 into 3, that is 99 minus 6 into 4 is 24. 17 4s are, I think 7 4s are 28, 68, yes. This is 68 upon 24. So 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 31 by 24. So in mixed form, this can be written as, I think 21, one integer. So see, let me convert into mixed form. 31. So 1 is equals to 124. 11 minus 4 is 7. So one integer 7 by 4 is my answer. One integer 7 by 4 is my answer. Next, Carol invests $4540 at a rate of R% per year compound interest. Okay. At the end of 10 years, she has earned $1328.54 in interest. Find the value of R. Okay. So we know amount is nothing but principal into 1 plus R upon 100 power n. So what was the principal which she had invested? The principal was $4540 at a rate of R% for 10 years. And what was the amount? The amount is 4540 plus, the amount is principal plus interest, which is 1328.54. Right, so the amount is 5868.54. Right, 5868.54. This is my amount. So 5868.54 divided by 4540 is equals to 1 plus R upon 100 power 10. I'll have to take 10th root of this. So I have 10th root of 5868.54 divided by 4540 is equals to 1 plus R upon 100. So 5868.54 divided by 4540, and this is 1.026. 1.026 is equals to 1 minus 1 plus R by 100. Let me subtract 1. So I have 0.26 is equals to R by 100. So R is, sorry, 0.026. So into 100 it is 2.6%. So the rate is 2.6%. Next, find the highest common factor of, okay, So I have to find HCF. So I'll have to first find the HCF of 12 and 20. Which is the highest common factor in 12 and 20? I think it is 4. 4 is the highest common factor. Now I have a cube and a square. The highest common factor here is the lowest power will be the highest common factor. So the lowest power is square. So a square. In the same way, the lowest power is b. So 4 a square b. This is my HCF. Next, the Venn diagram shows the number of students in a class of 40 who studies physics, mathematics and geography. Okay. Use the set notation to describe the shaded region. Okay. So guys, this is my shaded region. The shaded region is lying in M and G. M and G. But if you can see, whole of M and G is not shaded. Why? Which region is not shaded? Which is not in P. So that is P dash intersection M union G. Right. So P dash intersection M union G. Next, find P intersection G union M dash. So I have P intersection G. P intersection G is P intersection G. I think this and this. Its union P intersection G is this region. Now I'm supposed to find its union with M dash. So M dash, which means I'll have to add this and I'll also have to consider this. Now it is as it is union, so I have to add all the elements. So 4 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6, which is 22. So the final answer of this is number of elements are 22. Next, a random student is chosen from those who are studying geography. Okay, so how many students are studying geography? I have 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 5. 23 students in total are studying geography. Okay, find the probability that this also studies physics or mathematics, but not both. That studies physics or mathematics, but not both. Okay, so students who are studying along with geography or studying physics or mathematics, I have 3 and 5, but not both. So I'll not include this. So 3 plus 5, 8. So the final answer is 8 by 23. So the answer is 8 upon 23. Right. Next question. Sketch the graph of y equals to sin x. Okay. So let me take different values. Let's say I have 0. This is 360. So midway of 360, I don't have scale, but let me take an approximation. So midway is this. I think this is 180. This is 90 degree. This is 270. Right. Now let me draw this. When sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is 1, sine 180 is 0, sine 270 is minus 1, and sine 360 is again 0. So the graph is going to look like this. This is the curve of sine. It is maximum at 1 and minimum at minus 1. Right. Next, solve the equation. Okay. I have 3 sin x plus 1 equals to 0 for x lies between 0 and 360. So from here I can say 3 sin x equals to minus 1, sin x equals to minus 1 by 3. So I have sine inverse of minus 1 by 3, which is the x, the value of x is minus 19.47. Right, guys, I already know negative is not possible because the value of x is between 0 and 360. Now what does negative mean? The negative means, see, generally we measure angle in anti-clockwise direction, but negative angle represents that we have measured this angle in clockwise. So minus 19.47 is this angle. Right, this is nothing but 19.47. Right. Now this is, I have made a quadrant, 4 quadrant. Right. Now if this is 19.47, can I find the other angle? Yes, which is 360 minus 19.47, which is 340.5. 340.5. And can I find the other angle? I think I can. Can I find the other angle? Yes, I can. I have sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. Sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So other angle is going to be 180 plus, sorry, 180 minus theta is sine theta. So 180 minus 19.47, or okay, this will also work. So 180 plus 19.47, which is 199.47, right? The second answer is 199.47 degrees. Next, y is directly proportional to cube root of x plus 1. Okay, so y is directly proportional to cube root of x plus 1. And x is 7 and y is 1. Okay, so y is equals to k cube root of x plus 1. So x is 7, y is 1. So 1 is equals to k cube root of 8. So I have k as 1 by 2. So y is equals to 1 by 2 cube root of x plus 1. I am supposed to find y when x is 124. So if I substitute y as 124, I have y is equals to 1 by 2 cube root of 124 plus 1 is 125. Cube root of 125, as we all know, is 5. 5 divided by 2. 2.5 is my final answer. Next, f is inversely proportional to square of d. F is inversely proportional to square of d. What happens to f when d is halved? So for example, if I take, now let's say the value of d is d. Now if I take the value of d as half, which is d by 2. So what will happen? This f is proportional is going to be d by 2 square, right? So that is nothing but f proportional to 4 by d square. So what do you see is the value of f increases by 4 times. So what happens to f? F increases by 4 times. F increases by 4 times, right? Next question. You have f of x is equals to 7x minus 8. Okay, find f inverse of x. So I'll write y is equals to 7x minus 8. Let me swap x and y and then make y the subject. So I have x plus 8 by 7. Find the value of x when h of x is equals to g of 1 by 3. So h of x is equals to g of 1 by 3. So 4 integer, I think I have 1 by 3 plus 5. Okay. So I have 2 power x plus 1 is equals to 12 plus 5, which is 17. So 2 power x plus 1 is equals to 17. 2 power x equals to 16. 2 power x equals to 2 power 4. Thus my value of x is 4. Next, I have completely factorized this. Okay, so let me factorize it completely. Can I take anything common here? No, I can't. So 1 is common. From here, can I take anything common? I think yes, both are multiple of 4 and k is also common. So minus 4k common. So I think I'll be left with 2m, and here similarly 3p. So I can write this as 2m plus 3p, again common, into 1 minus 4k, right? Next, further I am supposed to factorize this also. Okay, so here can I take anything common? Yes, I can. 5 is common. So if I take 5 common, I'll be left with x square minus 4y square, right? So I have, I think this can further be factorized into, this seems like a square minus b square, right guys? Now I already know a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b, right? Next, the nth term of a sequence is an square plus bn minus 4. Okay, the first term is minus 3 and the second term is 2. Okay, find the values of a and b. Okay, so the first term is minus 3. So let me substitute n as 1. So I have a 1 n square is 1 plus b minus 4 equals to minus 3. So from here I can say a plus b is equals to minus 3 plus 4, which is 1. This is my first equation. The second term is 2. So let me substitute n as 2 here. So 2 square 4a plus 2b minus 4 equals to 2. So I have 4a plus 2b equals to 6. Can I take anything common? Yes, I can take 2 common. So if I take 2 common, I have 2a plus b equals to 6. So 2a plus b equals to 3. Now I have these two equations. Let me solve it. So a plus b equals to 1 and 2a plus b equals to 3. So let me subtract those equations. So I have a minus 2a, which is minus a, b minus b is 0, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. If I have minus a equals to minus 2, so from here I can say a is 2 and a plus b is 1. So 2 plus b is 1, therefore b is 1 minus 2, minus 1. So 2 and minus 1. These are my value of a and b. Okay, next question. I have OA, which is x, I have OB, which is y, and I have OD. Okay, this is my OD, guys. Okay, I'm supposed to find the ratio of AD is to DB. Okay, so no issues. Let me find AD first. AD is nothing but I have to go from A and move towards D. So I think that is AO plus OD. AO is minus x plus OD. OD is 3 by 7x plus 4 by 7y. If I take 7 as LCM, I have minus 7x plus 3x plus 4y by 7. So I think I can write my value of AD as 4x plus 4y upon 7. Now in the same way, let me find dB. Let me find dB. So I have to find dB. Guys, my dB, right? My dB is moving from D going towards B, which is DO. It is opposite of this plus y. So I have dB as 3 by 7x plus 4 by 7y, and I'll have to add dB. So DO. Okay, sorry, negative sign of this. So I have, negative sign, which is minus 3xy minus 4xy, and I have plus y, right? I have plus y. Okay, one more mistake I have made. Minus 7x plus 3x is minus 4x. This is the mistake which I had made. Okay, so now this can be simplified as minus 3x minus 4y plus 7y upon 7 minus 3x. Okay, so now this is nothing but minus 3x plus 3y upon 7. So guys, you already know this can be written as, let's say if I take 4 and 7 common, this is minus x plus y. Here if I take minus 3 and 7 common, this is, or not minus, let me take 3 and 7 common. So I have minus x plus y. And I was supposed to find the ratio of AD is to DB. So AD upon DB, minus x plus y will get cancelled. So I have 4 by 7 upon 3 by 7. So 7 will also get cancelled. So my final answer is going to be the ratio of 4:3, right? Let us move to the next question. Okay, the diagram shows a metal shape from a cone and a hemisphere. The metal shape shown is made from a cone whose radius is 6.2 and from hemisphere whose radius is also 6.2. Okay, the total surface area is 600 centimeters square. Okay, I am supposed to find this slant height L. Okay, the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square, and surface area of curved surface area of cone is pi r L. Okay, so I think I have the surface area of sphere, which is 4 pi r square. So I can find this is hemisphere, right? And the total surface area is 600. So which means surface area of hemisphere plus surface area of cone is 600, right? The surface area will be obviously the slant surface area. Surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus pi r L is equals to 600. So I have pi r L is equals to 600 minus 2 pi r square. So L is 600 minus 2 pi r square upon pi r. And I think I have radius is 6.2, sorry. Radius is 6.2. So L is 600 minus 2 into pi into 6.2 square upon pi into 6.2. Sorry guys, just a second. So I have 600 minus 2 into pi into 6.2 square upon pi into 6.2, which is 18.40, or I can write it as 18.4. Sorry for the fumble guys. Next question. Okay, I think I have completed this paper. Hope you have enjoyed it. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. Let us know if you need our help in any of the topic. We will be glad to make topical videos on that. Bye bye. Have a great day.